Think of this. She is a drone Didi. She is one of the thousands of women being trained to become drone pilots for agricultural purposes. These drone pilots are training with the new drone-based technology for spraying nano-liquid urea and fertilizers in their fields. The Drone Didi initiative, along with other schemes, is a part of the larger goal of creating Lakhpati Didis.
बीते वर्षों में अब तक हम 1 करोड़ बहनें लखपति दीदी बन चुकी है।
But what, or rather who is a Lakhpati Didi? Lakhpati Didi is a self-help group member with an annual household income of more than 1 lakh rupees. But this scheme by the Ministry of Rural Development goes beyond financial success. The initiative aims at ensuring a decent standard of life using sustainable livelihood practices, collective action, financial literacy, skill development and entrepreneurship. These women serve as an inspiration to the community, not solely for their incomes, but for their transformational journey. In today's video, we'll look at some of these success stories from different corners of India, where ordinary women are transforming their lives and community. Through determination, skill and targeted government support, these Lakhpati Didis are turning adversity into opportunity. So, let's go. Our first stop is the Gandarbal district of Jammu and Kashmir. Hamida Bano comes from a poor and conservative family, but she shattered social barriers and became an entrepreneur. In 2019, Hamida Bano's life took a remarkable turn when she joined a self-help group under the Umeed initiative of Rural Livelihoods Missions. With this support, she started a dairy farm and milk processing unit under the brand Asli Dahi. By processing milk into yogurt and mastering marketing channels, Hamida Bano's earnings soared to 25,000 rupees per month. Her success redefined women's role in her community, turning them into decision makers and entrepreneurs. Hamida Bano now plans to introduce high-tech machinery to expand her business, capture new market and create opportunities for rural youth. Her story is a testament to how determination and support can change lives. In Chhattisgarh, Duleshwari Devangan's life changed when she joined a self-help group. Running a small shop was not enough, so she sought new opportunities. As an e-book keeper for her self-help group, she secured a loan of Rs 50,000 from the e-rickshaw scheme. This loan provided her with the capital and confidence to become an e-rickshaw driver. Now earning between 12,000 to 15,000 rupees monthly, she is a living example to the power of self-help groups and targeted government initiatives. In the village of Keru, Rajasthan, Geeta Devi and her self-help group members are baking a brighter future with nutritious bajra cookies. Once restricted to the household chores, Geeta Devi's world expanded when she joined Rajivika with 11 other women. Through skill enhancement training in bakery, papad and pickle making, she and her group started a thriving bajra cookie manufacturing unit. Through melas and exhibitions, their nutritious bajra cookies have gained popularity and orders from across the state. Geeta Devi's success culminated in recognition from the Chief Minister of Rajasthan on Mahila Samanta Divas. In West Bengal's Damodarpur village, we look at the story of Panchabati Baske. Her journey began with a 25,000 rupee loan from her self-help group for livestock rearing. Later, her entrepreneurial spirit led her to advanced paddy cultivation methods and eventually to organic indigenous paddy farming. She dedicated 1 acre to black rice cultivation, inspiring 54 other farmers to join her initiative. As a shareholder and now a purchasing officer for a farmers producers organization, she earns an impressive 1.5 lakh rupees annually, making her a pillar of support for her family and an inspiration to the community. In Assam, Amrit Madhuri Devi of the Mitali Self-Help Group turned her passion for food into a successful enterprise. With 50,000 rupees from Community Investment Fund, 40,000 rupees from PM FME Seed Capital, a 3 lakh rupee NRETP grant and her own 7,000 rupee investment, Amrit Madhuri Devi started Madhur Food Products, producing jams, jellies, juices and pickles. Her enterprise employs 6 workers, including 3 self-help group members. She earns around Rs 20,000 per month by selling her products in local and online markets. In Meghalaya, Sara Linda Mirthong from Mon Gap started a rental business for utensils, chairs and decorations. Hers is a story of remarkable resilience. Despite being the sole breadwinner for her 3 children, she started saving money through her self-help group. After an initial setback with a pickle making venture in 2020, she pivoted to a rental business for utensils, chairs and pandal decorations using a self-help group loan. Sara Linda now earns approximately 2 lakhs every year, As an internal community resource person under National Rural Livelihood Mission, she encourages other women to join self-help groups for empowerment and financial independence. Our final destination is Matho in Ladakh, where Sering Angmo has created a unique homestay experience. With financial assistance of up to 10 lakhs from the cluster level federation and support from the Rural Livelihoods Mission, Sering Angmo transformed her traditional Ladakhi home into a cultural haven for tourists. Rural Livelihood Mission provided her with skills training and confidence building support. Overcoming challenges of harsh climate and remote location, she now earns between 1.5 to 2.5 lakh rupees annually while preserving and sharing her rich cultural heritage. Her homestay inspires others in the village to explore tourism opportunities. These 7 Lakhpati Didis, spread across India's diverse landscape, exemplify the paradigm shift due to targeted support from the government and personal determination. The Lakhpati Didi scheme, in tandem with other initiatives like Umeed, Rajivika and various rural livelihood missions, has provided not just financial backing but also crucial training and market linkages. With the right support and determination, every woman has the potential to become a Lakhpati Didi, transforming not just her own life but uplifting entire community. That's all for this video. This is Urvi. See you in the next one.